here. Start. Okay, ready. Om, Om, Om. Arulperinjodi, Arulperinjodi, Thanipering. So you see, Arulperinjodi, Thanipering is a cosmic power. This is people misunderstand, but meditation, doing every meditation same. Every meditation same medicine give. Any meditation, but you active your chakra, then go to the take the medicine. Medicine meaning you take the coronary gland, this one. Any meditation, any jnani, any people do same. Now situation we teach, you see in Malaysia they get the result, the boy what they say, we do 5 time meditation, then he get the result, but you had to try.
Yeah.
When meditation do, you have to try business, what business you want to do, whatever, he will help you. Then he save your healthy. So now with the world problem, so you see jnanam, wisdom and Sakti Jodi Jnana wisdom you need to take. But you never take, difficult to stay life in Malay, any world. So now you understand when you take the wisdom, you know the blood going everywhere. When you healing, pranam, you know, I say manamaya kosam, your heart, whatever, you know, animal, what you want make house, he make his house. So your heart, man heart, so I want a big house, this one, that one, too many. So the wisdom, God give wisdom for animal no movement, same whatever you doing with Paramatma. So we are knowledge present 6 senses, problem 7 senses, I am 7 senses, Nani, I am 10 senses. But 10 senses I am no mental. I am Sivalingam. So I say, Shiva no mental. So the cosmic power is a Kai medicine, Kai power, but it's no mental. It's control all animal, everybody give pranam. Pranam meaning, you know, you say Brahman. So Brahma, Vishnu, everything, Jnanam. So Brahma, Vishnu, Jnanam, all wisdom complete is the pranam complete. So Nyon Jnanam, pranam coming to complete your wisdom. So that is the jnana upadesam, when wisdom take that. So pranam meaning, now the oxygen not enough people. So you take pranam, cosmic pranam. I am cosmic pranam, take Sukamama, I take from cosmic power. You have right, left, breathing come. For me, chakra work, Sukama, spinal cord. There is a spinal cord, Kundalini working. So now I close eyes, I no close eye also, I no problem. I can see. So suppose they do Monishaku, they catch Satan, Kundalini going, I feel. So you throwing off, bring negative out. So you, when you Paramatma come to help you. So one nair, this is upper one, they put stone, put the seaside. Then Arthur, the pranam take it to Paramatma, taking up. They shock how he come out. They with stone, but the pranam, your chakra control bring, he can bring up. So you, how much heavy put also, the cosmic power he can bring. That is all planets, everything, 9 planets running but pranam. The same, every planet different way rounding, all control of Paramatma. This all Paramatma meaning, the Vinayar meaning, you know Vinayar meaning, Anu. That Anu important, that's Anu Shakti. The Sakti need, that's Sakti under the Amman. You know, so I opened this one, 1, 2, Silusuram, but Tirisulam. You know, Tirisulam meaning I that day opened 1, 2, 3 Tirisulam. Then Tirisulam, you have to do meditation, complete 5 times do meditation, come to Tirisulam. That's a meaning Shakti. They show you inside part. Everything, the temple, so photo of man. So the Vishnu, Parama, Vishnu, they fight. Parama, Vishnu, Vishnu meaning earth. You know, Mother Nature, the Vishnu sleeping.
Yeah.
Okay. You must think the Vishnu is the Mother Nature, but up, Turyakant and Sagaskara Chakram, Perimal, you know, Perimal say Vishnu's Chakra. You know, 7 chakra. That one, up, sun, you know, sun, moon, up. You know, sun, air, moon, air is up. That one Because you can never see. All light, is a control, Paramatma control Mother Nature. So Mother Nature also need wisdom. So Mother Nature big mistake they give. For you also wisdom. People don't understand. The control of Mother with Mother Nature we living life. That is the nature always help us. So we also do meditation, take the prana and help. Now situation why the teaching breathing and do 3 exercise after do meditation 5 times why you have 2 virus. Your cell cleaning. Suppose your blood when you come, blood come, when cancer come for you, blood, sometimes the blood pranam healing. So good pranam meditation, you will never any heat, you will not come any to come cancer like that. The blood, blood go after do cancer come, everything. Same AIDS also you bring. Coronavirus also you bring. So AIDS, God bring, you bring. Same the coronavirus you bring. Now problem people, now you have to clean. You have to do meditation. You have to with Mother Nature what you want. Do must little bit change. Little bit you have to eat food. I say morning eat. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock finish breakfast. 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock finish lunch. Night 7 o'clock dinner finish. Whatever you hard work, you can eat good food. Depends on your work also. So the pranam also food. So I eat lunch, never eat. Morning and evening I can eat and living. I eat fruits. So suppose I take pranam, I need the blood. So my blood, you see the blood put injection. Some people die in PG. So the blood meaning they are the prana not enough to injection put. You never get the blood go down, then you will take he die. Depends of your DNA in the inside side effect. Side effect, injection, that some people, so you see this meditation, everybody same. But different DNA, they do meditation, they had to do 5 times. So now 5 times you have to do why? For your soul. This is no magic. Do meditation, get the meditation magic. No, this is a do meditation, you can save your healthy and your life with family. This you are never go jungle, this meditation. This meditation, this one direct to Paramatma keep you. So messenger come, message keep you. You check already. You can see if you never do nothing. You never do, you will never, you can know join to Paramatma. Then you can never tell God never help.
Yeah.
Okay, you stop. Okay, stop, but God never help you. Help you whatever your virus, whatever you are born, your karma. That is a karma they say. How deal with the karma? Karma meaning virus, your cell. Everything your cell cleaning, your anger, ego, everything. Anamam, Kanmam, Maya, 3. Anamam, all different anger. You Rosini, you can never take ease anger. You can never take your husband anger. So anybody can, you can never do. She had to clean cell, then anger go. So anger also cell,
Same as if you are hungry, you can't eat for some other people.
You have to eat. Like that, your anger we can never take. So to the what he say, when you come, you can feel, with me meditation do, you will anger go down. So never do, you can experience. I hear come always, they do 3 days, 3 times, or you come down. Never do, you go, or you get anger. So what happened? Something who get the medicine from where to take? Cosmic power. So you never take cosmic medicine. They come to angry also with me, sometimes some people want this wisdom. I want meditation. So you never do, you don't test the wisdom. Then you see that YouTube I put, this one really you have to prepare and you have to download. Even YouTube you put the cook channel, they put cooking, this one cook good, nice. Then you wait and you cook and 20 minutes and eat. This meditation you don't want to eat. So now you said YouTube, you watch, oh nice food. I want to cook today.
Yeah,
So
try today.
So by today try to eat and for that cook also your taste for tongue.
Yeah.
But this wisdom thing, I get the very wisdom taste, but you know taste it. So this also do meditation. Now we are do meditation. When you do start meditation, all chakra work, and he cooking. So your chakra is boiling from cosmic power. So the Paramatma watch your Sukama Kundalini, now the Monisha going, Paramatma watching, you know. So he taking to him, taking calm. So everybody when I open, do meditation, cosmic power, Paramatma watch you. So you today do, next day never do. This person what? This 2 days come and take jnana, next day never come take wisdom. But he have file. So that was when I open already in our name. Everybody have file. So now you understand, when you go temple, the third eye is open, the wisdom. Third eye I open, you do all chakra active and do meditation, take the jnanam. So now problem why? Yeah, simply I tell you. But this meditation, messenger I come in New Zealand now. New Zealand, same system he give you. Different way I can notice why. The cosmic power, same way. That was any yogi, everybody. You see one thing I say, you see Paramahamsa, Vivekananda, take the cancer. Why you want to take is a poison, take the sickness. Now your sickness you can delete. That is a messenger come.
Yes.
This one difference. This time keep to you. You do, you deal your medicine. So take. So when your karma take, problem, you want to take is karma? So my people come, other family karma you want to take, other people anger you want to take. That way you leave it cut. That is Paramatma say each person do meditation, take wisdom, family meditation. So your family do, whole family do, I give you. In the world, how many family I can keep wisdom? So you insection not enough, not enough, not enough, not enough. That what never mind. Now you have to put. But you do 7 years now, 20, everybody, you 27 years, change the world. So change the perm, DNA. So how to change? People he had to do change. God he cannot. God he want to change. He want to finish the world and new world. So you make the new world. God no make. You make. You know when Kali Yuga finish, depends of you. So everybody do meditation. Kali Yuga late. So you can make late. You know kept this side wisdom. So Kali Yuga. You know Kali Yuga meaning. The problem world. Kali Yuga meaning this is like Kali Yuga. You can see the world start, only start, little start, you know Tahan. Big one, how can? After that you cannot Tahan, you know medicine, you cannot help other country, every country, each person fight. Next week I talk you, this one finish this week, next week I talk you why they say fight for property. How they do saving it for this house money. I want this. Same they save every country. They want money. They do the virus. This one, that one fight also for money. True. Each country. So this center next week I talk. Okay. Now do meditation. Okay. Do. Off. Up. Huh? Okay. Now we do it meditation. Okay. We do it. Okay. So we 10 minutes do meditation, I talk. In Malaysia, they get the result also. Now 11 years in Malaysia, I teach. People who do continue 5 times, 3 times, maximum 4 times, 5 times they do. Continue do meditation. Take the pranam very fast. So now you need the pranam, oxygen. Take cosmic power, very pranam, very fast cleaning. That is the negative never enters your cell. You know the cancer come, also in AIDS come and virus come. Now this meditation, you turn it, you clean your cell, every sickness goes, your body inside come to pranam, from cosmic pranam. The cosmic pranam, this meditation, Shakti Jyoti Jnana, you have to do. So I no need to go fight. Now I teach in New Zealand and teach Malaysia. I will go moving. I teach the people and make tutor also. I teaching. So when they later on understand, no, they all must do practical and already finish, but they had to do. But never tell the Paramatma. So you understand now. I come here, teach many people. I teach all round and he catch and finish it, and they don't listen. For him, for your people, all people you have to do. This one I cannot do anything. Now I'm in a temple, go in library. Evening I go in library. So library, the white people come and do. So all people do very fast finish.
Yeah.
So you can take the wisdom and take clean. You have to put affect. You have to put
Effort, yeah.
you have to put affect 5 times to meditation for your soul. Each person world. Now each person do, you can turn. When you do, your anger, ego, everything turning, then Anbu. You why Shiva Anbu? Love. So I love you, I silent. So I sit down like that, Imiyamala Shiva, how sit down, I sit down now. I don't want anything. I don't want to fight. So fight with nature and with cosmic power, will fight with you. So Paramatma, he never fight with you. Never. Cosmic power, Paramatma, God, no, that's you. He will help you, always help you. Do keep it. So you mistake. You again to him. The system, you again to him. All yogi also, they take business, this all problem now. This yoga meaning meditation. This meditation for medicine for everything. But you have to fit, I have to sample. You see now, you see the Manisha doing the Kundalini working time. So God watching, when you are doing meditation, your Kundalini, I feel very, when I feel the working, I very nice. So God, all soul, all soul do meditation, he very happy, we feel already like very divine bliss. So we are also feeling divine bliss. So when the system of cosmic power happy, we happy, Mother Nature happy, everybody happy. This Kundalini Shakti happy, play with you baby, with play happy, eat happy. The animal also play, play. He also happy with Kundalini.
Yeah.
So he make you happiness, happy and do, but don't make anything sickness. So sick come from yourself. So now problem but you have to do. So you have to test the breathing, cleaning, the breathing I teach you, this teach everything already. Just now you have to practical do everybody open to the color, rainbow 7 colors that after that the pranam change. The pranam is a change in time. He come after wisdom, that is a complete. Why 21 meditation you doing time? 20 minutes the wisdom come complete. What the from pranam come to you water, 5 elements balance. Water, fire, 5 elements balancing. Then the Panchabhudam balance. That is 20 minutes you are balancing. Then balance finish, again you balance. Every day 5 times you balance with Mother Nature. So when for me, sit down 24 hours balancing. I eating food, but Arthur balance. Why? Then why I have to go fight? So I tell everybody to teach. This is no religion. So all religion you have to do this meditation. Perumbam. Yeah. Next week I give you message how the Johi all do this. Tell you. Perumbam.